So let the game begin. And your first number for any line.
One and 5, 15. 4 and 9, 49. 7 and 6, 76. 6 and 9, 69.
The speed okay?
Too fast, please.
Too fast?
No,
That's okay.
Yeah, five tight. And your next number is for any line.
All the ones, 11. 4 and 7, 47.
Oh, can't hear properly.
Yeah. Your next number, your number just went 47.
Yeah.
All the legs 11. And your next number for any line?
2 and 6, 26.
That's better.
2 and 7, 27. 6 and 4, 64. 1 and 3, 13. 2 and 4, 24. 3 and 1, 31.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Number, please.
We got a call and your book number, please.
It's 581.
581.
Yep, and then it's the one on the side is 02888. Yay!
That was great.
Just verifying that's Slippy.
Is it Sleepy?
Yeah, it's her.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be for her, yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closing 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. Your
Esther, how
next
about
number
if we,
is?
Esther, how about if we're looking for a 2-line for another $50? Okay, it's 2 lines for $50. And your next number is?
Is it
3 and
2 lines
9,
or
39.
Pardon?
Is it 2 line or a full house now?
2 line. Bakay for clear. Listen. Yeah, ole. Lua line na lo so. Just because you be so patient, le late lo 2 lines for $50.
Thank you.
5 and 6, 56. All the 8s, 88. 6 and 2, 62. 8 and 6, 86. 8 and 7, 87. 7 and 4, 74. 4 and 3, 43. On its own, number 1. 70, 70. All the 4s, 44. All the 3s, 33. 5 and 2, 52. 6 0, 60. 5 and 8, 58. 5 and 3, 53. 5 and 4, 54. 7 and 9, 79. 2 and 3, 23. 8 and 3, 83. 2 and 9, 29.
Bingo.
Your book number, please.
37.
Yes, Melbourne. And your 6-up number.
4274.
Sorry, I need that number again.
4274.
4274. And we can all see that is correct for your 2 lines. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed and 2 lines for $50. Moving on, looking for your full house for $100. And your next number is
3 and 4, 34. 5 and 9, 59. 1 and 6, 16. 3 and 7, 37. On its own, number 9. 4 and 2, 42. On its own, number 5. All the 5s, 55. On its own, number 7. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 1, 21. 8 and 5, 85. 4 and 8, 48. 1 and 8, 18. 3 0, 30. On its own, number 2.
Bingo.
and we got a call. Your book number, please.
37.
Yes, 37 and your 6-up number.
4274.
4274. Looking for your full house. We can all see that is correct for your full house. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on to your next sheet. On your blue, looking for any line for $50.
And your first number, you got it there? And your first number is
3 and 5, 35. 1 and 6, 16. 3 and 1, 31. 4 and 1, 41. 2 and 8, 28. 6 0, 60. 8 0, 80. 8 and 1, 81. 4 and 5, 45. 1 and 9, 19. 8 and 6, 86. 4 and 9, 49. 6 and 3, 63. 3, 0, 30.
Oh, we got a call. And your book number, please. 510. 6 up number. 2467. And we can all see that is correct for your one line. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Verify that's Lummy. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is? Are you there, Stella? Can you text through your last number of your book, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing it now.
Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
On its own, number 6. All the threes, 33. 40, 40. 3 and 6, 36. 7 and 3, 73. 1 and 3, 13. 5, 0, 50. 5 and 1, 51. 2 and 7, 27. 6 and 4, 64. 6 and 9, 69. 7 and 9, 79. 5 and 8, 58. 4 and 8, 48. All the 7, 77. 3 and 7, 37. 4 and 2, 42. On its own, number 3. 1 and 8, 18. 2 and 5, 25. 7 and 2, 72. 1 and 7, 17. 7 and 1, 71. 2 and 4, 24. 1 and 2, 12. All the 6s, 66. 9, 0, 90. 5 and 4, 54. 7 and 6, 76. 1 and 5, 15. 3 and 9, 39. 8 and 3, 83. On its own, number 7. 8 and 5, 85. 8 and 2, 82. 1 and 4, 14. 6 and 8, 68. 4 and 7, 47. 6 and 7, 67. All the fours, 44. 4 and 6, 46. 6 and 5, 65. All the ones, 11. 5 and 9, 59. 5 and 6, 56.
Yeah.
We got a call.
Yeah.
Your book number, please.
513.
513 and your 6-up number.
6-up number. 6-up number is 02490.
That's Falayo. And we can all see that is correct for your full house. Is there anybody else?
614.
Your book number, please.
614.
614. Your 6-up number, please.
06091.
And that is Asiata.
Thank you.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 2 places. Congratulations. Moving on to our next game. On your orange sheet, looking for any line. And your first number is
7 and 2, 72. 4 and 5, 45. 8 and 5, 85. 3 and 2, 32. 7 and 9, 79. 2 and 3, 23. 4 and 3, 43. 1 and 9, 19. 7 and 6, 76. 1 and 4, 14. 5 and 3, 53. 8 and 7, 87. 2 and 5, 25. 4 and 9, 49. 6 and 4, 64. 3 and 7, 37.
Bingo.
we got a call. Book number, please.
16.
16. Yes, Melbourne. Your 6-up number.
4600.
We can all see that is correct for your any line. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
7 and 8, 78. 3 and 6, 36. 8, 0, 80. 3 and 1, 31. 2 and 8, 28. 1 and 2, 12. 6 and 7, 67. 4 and 8, 48. 7 and 1, 71. 5 and 9, 59. 1, 0, 10. All the fives, 55. 6, 0, 60. 7 and 3, 73. 7 and 4, 74. 2 and 4, 24. 4, 0, 40. 5 and 1, 51. On its own, number 8. 4 and 7, 47. 1 and 8, 18. On its own, number 7. 9, 0, 90. 6 and 3, 63. On its own, number 1. 5 and 8, 58. On its own, number 6. All the sixes, 66. 6 and 1, 61. 5 and 6, 56. 3 and 5, 35. 5 and 4, 54. 5 and 2, 52. 8 and 6, 86. 6 and 8, 68. 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 7, 27. On its own, number 9.
Bingo. Bingo.
We got a call.
Yeah. One. Pick a number. Yeah. 5-1. 5-2-1. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, 521.
Yeah.
6 up number.
Yeah. This one.
2542.
We can all see that is correct. Is
Thank
anybody
you.
else? Thank you. Anybody else calling? 1, 2, 3. Game close in 1. Congratulations. Just a quick reminder to all our winners. Please take a photo of your winning ticket and send it through to 0431 535 828. That was 0431 535 828. Moving on to our next game. On your grade ticket, looking for any line, and your first number is
All the threes, 33. 3 and 7, 37. 2 and 6, 26. 8 and 2, 82. 2 and 1, 21. On its own, number 2. On its own, number 5. 1, 0, 10. 5 and 2, 52. All the 5s, 55. On its own, number 3. On its own, number 7. 6 and 5, 65. 2 and 5, 25. 3 and 1, 31. 9, 0, 90. 5 and 7, 57. 1 and 2, 12. 6 and 9, 69. 3 and 4, 34.
Come.
6, 9.
All the 1s, 11.
Bingo.
We got a call. And your book number, please.
578.
578. And your six-up number.
578.
Yep, 578.
02891.
We'll see that is correct for your any line. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
4 and 3, 43. All the 7, 77. On its own, number 4. On its own, number 9. On its own, number 1. On its own, number 6. 1 and 8, 18. 6 and 3, 63. 1 and 5, 15. 2 and 3, 23. 5 and 9, 59. 1 and 7, 17. 3 and 8, 38. 1 and 4, 14. On its own, number 8. 4 and 5, 45. 2 and 8, 28. 7 and 9, 79. 8 and 7, 87. 8, 0, 80. 7 and 2, 72. 7 and 3, 73. All the 6s, 66. 4 and 2, 42. 6 and 8, 68. 8 and 5, 85. 6 and 1, 61. 7 and 5, 75. 3 and 9, 39. 5 and 8, 58. 2, 0, 20.
Bingo.
in your book number, please.
Book number 595.
595.
Yep.
6-up number.
02993.
993, and we can all see that is a full house. Just verifying that is Val.
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on to your next game. On your phone ticket, looking for any line. Just a quick reminder, please take a photo of your winning ticket and send it through to that mobile number, please. So we're now moving on to our phone ticket. Looking for any line for $50. And your first number is
1 and 2, 12. 4 and 5, 45. 6 and 3, 63. 5 and 9, 59. 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 7, 27. 3 and 8, 38. 6 and 5, 65. 8 and 9, 89. On its own, number 9. On its own, number 2. 3 and 1, 31. 8 and 2, 82. 5 and 8, 58. 2 and 3, 23. 7, 0, 70. 6, 0, 60. 4, 0, 40. On its own, number 4. 6 and 4, 64.
Bingo.
And your book number, please.
626
626 and your 6-up number.
06181.
And we can all see that is correct for your any line. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Can I just verify that's Leilani?
Yep.
Congratulations. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
6 and 8, 68. All the 3s, 33. 6 and 2, 62. 1 and 5, 15. 7 and 4, 74. 1 and 6, 16. 3 and 9, 39. 1, 0, 10. 7 and 5, 75. 1 and 9, 19. 5, 0, 50. 5 and 1, 51. 7 and 1, 71. 4 and 3, 43. 5 and 3, 53. 7 and 8, 78. 3 and 7, 37. 1 and 4, 14. On its own, number 1. 8 and 6, 86. On its own, number 3. All the 8s, 88. 3 and 2, 32. 8 and 1, 81. On its own, number 7. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 6, 26. On its own, number 6. 5 and 7, 57. 5 and 6, 56. All the 1s, 11. 3 and 6, 36. On its own, number 5. 4 and 7, 47. All the 7s, 77. All the 6s, 66. 8 and 4, 84. 7 and 2, 72. 4 and 9, 49. 8 and 3, 83.
Bingo. Bingo.
And we got a call. Your
Bingo.
book number, please.
Book number 86.
Yes, Melbourne. Your 6-up number?
4955.
4955.
Yes, please.
And we can all see that is correct for your full house. Is there anybody else?
Yes.
And your book number, please. Book number? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on to your next game on your lilac ticket. Looking for any line. And your first number is?
3 and 9, 39. 7 and 5, 75. 8 and 7, 87. 5 and 8, 58. 6 and 2, 62. 6 and 8, 68. 7, 0, 70. 3 and 4, 34. 1 and 4, 14. 4 and 7, 47. 5 and 4, 54. 1 and 6, 16. 4 and 6, 46. 6 and 3, 63. 2 and 8, 28. All the twos, 22. 6, 0, 60. 1 and 3, 13. 2 and 1, 21. 3, 0, 30.
Bingo.
And we got a
Bingo.
call. Your book number, please.
33.
Yes, Melbourne. And your 6-up number?
04707.
And we can all see that is correct for your any line. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
On its own, number 4. On its own, number 7. 7 and 2, 72. 8 and 3, 83. 1, 0, 10. 4 and 3, 43. 4 and 8, 48. 7 and 8, 78. 4 and 9, 49. On its own, number 8. 7 and 3, 73. 9, 0, 90. 6 and 5, 65. 6 and 1, 61. 1 and 9, 19. 4 and 1, 41. 2 and 3, 23. 4 and 5, 45. 5 and 3, 53. 7 and 1, 71. All the 8s, 88. 5 and 1, 51. 5 and 9, 59. 2 and 7, 27.
Bingo.
We got a call. Your book number, please.
505.
505 and your 6-up number.
02463.
2463, that is correct. Verifying that's Elena. Is there anybody
Thank you.
else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closing 1. Congratulations. Moving on to your next game on your yellow sheet. Looking for any line and your first number is
5 and 8, 58. 1, 0, 10. 8 and 6, 86. 6 and 4, 64. On its own, number 5. On its own, number 4. All the 8s, 88. 3 and 4, 34. 6, 0, 60. 3 and 9, 39. All the 3s, 33. 7 and 3, 73. 5 and 7, 57. 3 and 2, 32. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 5, 15. 4, 0, 40. 5 and 2, 52. 8 and 4, 84. 7 and 8, 78. 5 and 6, 56. All the 2s, 22. 6 and 2, 62.
and your book number, please.
603,
603 and your 6-up number.
605, 555.
605. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. And just verifying that is Vonga.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
4 and 2, 42. 6 and 5, 65. All the 1s, 11. 1 and 9, 19. All the 5s, 55. On its own, number 6. 3 and 8, 38. 8 and 2, 82. 9, 0, 90. 8 and 1, 81. 4 and 3, 43. On its own, number 1. 2 and 9, 29. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 7, 17. 2, 0, 20. 4 and 5, 45. 6 and 7, 67. 6 and 1, 61. 7 and 6, 76. 1 and 3, 13. 8 and 3, 83. 2 and 7, 27. 5 and 3, 53. 7, 0, 70. 2 and 4, 24. 2 and 3, 23. 5 and 1, 51. 7 and 2, 72.
Bingo.
8 and 5,
We got a
85.
call. Your book number, please.
15.
Yes, Melbourne, and your 6-up number.
04605.
4675. 4675.
4605.
Oh, 4605.
Is that a line or?
We're looking for a full house.
Oh, it's not a line.
As we can all see,
Oh, sorry, I thought it's a line.
4605. So we're still looking for one more
Sorry.
number there. Oh, 2 more numbers.
Yeah, sorry. I thought it's a line.
So everyone, false alarm. Still looking for your full house on your yellow sheet. And your next number is
8080. 5 and 4, 54. All the sixes, 66. 7 and 9, 79. 5 and 9, 59. On its own, number 2. On its own, number 8.
Bingo.
and we got a call. Book number, please. Book number?
Book number 52.
Yes, Melbourne, and your
Ryan!
6-up number?
Come here.
4401.
0401.
4401.
4401.
Grab my keys and see if my windows are up. I can't now.
4401.
Oh,
Doug, calling out to Doug. Please, can you mute or keep it down? We can all see that is correct for your full house. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1.
Sorry, Esther.
Yes?
I'm not really sure because I just grabbed my books from the rubbish. So I don't know if it's book 52, 46 or 45. So one of those 3.
For, what was that number again?
So it's either book 52,
Yeah.
46, or book 45.
Okay, no worries. We'll confirm that. Moving on to our next game. On your green sheet, looking for any line, and your first number is
8 and 9, 89. 2 and 7, 27. On its own, number 1. 2 and 3, 23. 2, 0, 20. 4 and 2, 42. 7 and 8, 78. 1 and 9, 19. 4, 0, 40. All the 2s, 22. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 6, 16. On its own, number 5. On its own, number 4. 8 and 7, 87. 7 and 3, 73. All the sixes, 66. 5 and 7, 57. 4 and 1, 41. All the eights, 88.
Bingo.
And we got to call your book number, please.
595
595 and your 6-up number.
03018.
We can all see that is correct for your any line. Just verifying this is Val.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Is there anybody else calling? 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
8 and 2, 82. 9, 0, 90. 1 and 7, 17. 7 and 4, 74. 3 and 9, 39. 7 and 1, 71. 5 and 3, 53. On its own, number 2. 4 and 8, 48. On its own, number 6. 8 and 3, 83. 6 and 8, 68. 2 and 1, 21. 3 and 7, 37. 7 and 6, 76. 7, 0, 70. 1 and 8, 18. 4 and 5, 45. 4 and 6, 46. 3, 0, 30. All the ones, 11. All the 7, 77. 4 and 3, 43. 5 and 1, 51. 6 and 2, 62. 6 and 3, 63. 3 and 5, 35. All the 3s, 33. 4 and 7, 47. 3 and 8, 38. 8 and 1, 81. 5 and 2, 52. On its own, number 7.
Go.
we got a call.
Yeah.
And your book number, please.
614
And your 6-up number.
06127.
06127. Looking for your full house.
Oh, sorry. 06128.
06128.
Yeah. Thank
And we
you.
can all see that is correct. Just verifying that is Asieta.
Yep. Thank you.
And is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on to our next game. On your apricot sheet, looking for any line. And your first number is
All the 4s, 44. 5 and 8, 58. 7 and 3, 73. On its own, number 5. All the 7, 77. 2 and 5, 25. 8, 0, 80. 7 and 8, 78. 6 and 3, 63. 7 and 2, 72. On its own, number 4. 8 and 9, 89. 3 and 7, 37. 2 and 8, 28. All the 8s, 88.
Bingo.
we got a call. Your book number, please.
Hold on, Lisa. 526.
526 and your 6-up number.
It's 2610.
Can I just remember everybody winning this evening? Take a photo of your ticket and send it through. 526, just confirming that is Lotto.
Yes.
We can all see that is correct for your any line. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3, game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
8 and 3, 83. 6 and 4, 64. 6 and 2, 62. 6 and 5, 65. 5 and 6, 56. All the 6s, 66. 5 and 3, 53. 2, 0, 20. 2 and 4, 24. 1 and 2, 12. 3 and 1, 31. 4 and 8, 48. 3 and 4, 34. 2 and 3, 23. 1, 0, 10. 6 and 1, 61. 7 and 1, 71. 9, 0, 90. 5 and 1, 51. On its own, number 1. 8 and 7, 87. On its own, number 8. 4 and 5, 45. 8 and 5, 85. 3 and 9, 39. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 6, 16. 7, 0, 70. 3 and 5, 35. All the 5s, 55. 5 and 2, 52. 7 and 5, 75. 8 and 1, 81. 3, 0, 30. 4 and 2, 42. 2 and 6, 26. 7 and 9, 79. 3 and 2, 32. 5 and 4, 54. 2 and 7, 27. 6 and 9, 69. 4 and 7, 47. On its own, number 2. 5 and 7, 57. 4 and 3, 43. 4 and 6, 46. All the twos, 22. On its own, number 3. 4 and 1, 41.
Bingo.
And we got a call.
Yes.
Your book number, please.
It's 581.
And your 6-up number.
6-up number is 02937.
2937, looking for your full house. Just confirming that's your nippy.
Yes, that is.
Congratulations. Is there anybody else?
Yes,
Calling
please.
one.
Book 502.
502.
Yeah,
Your 6-up number.
2463.
2463. We can all see that is correct. Verifying that's Maria.
Yes, thank you.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 2 places. Congratulations. Moving on to our pink sheet. Our last game before our jackpot. Looking for any line for $50. And your first number is?
3 and 2, 32. 1 and 6, 16. 5 and 8, 58. 8 and 1, 81. 3 and 6, 36. 8 and 2, 82. On its own, number 1. 40, 40. All the 4s, 44. On its own, number 7. 3 and 7, 37. 20, 20. 4 and 1, 41. 5 and 6, 56. 8 and 6, 86. 1 and 7, 17.
9.
Was that a call?
Yes.
And your book number, please.
Book number 10.
Yes, Melbourne, your 6-up number.
04598.
And we can all see that is correct. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
There was Fono Apule, Esther.
Six and 2, 62. 3 and 1, 31. On its own, number 5. 6 and 1, 61. 6 and 3, 63. 6 and 4, 64. On its own, number 4. 4 and 3, 43. On its own, number 9. All the twos, 22. 7 and 9, 79. 1, 0, 10. 2 and 7, 27. 4 and 8, 48. 4 and 7, 47. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 5, 25. 5 and 2, 52. 7 and 5, 75. 3 and 8, 38. All the 7, 77. 6 and 9, 69. 7 and 1, 71. 3 and 4, 34. 6 and 5, 65. 4 and 6, 46. 4 and 9, 49. On its own, number 8. All the threes, 33. 8 and 3, 83. 8 and 7, 87. 6 and 7, 67. On its own, number 6. 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 8, 28. 9, 0, 90. All the sixes, 66. 7, 0, 70. 5, 0, 50. 3, 0, 30. 8 and 5, 85. 1 and 9, 19. 7 and 4, 74. 5 and 7, 57.
Was that a call? Still looking for your full house.
6, 0, 60. 2 and 3, 23. 1 and 3, 13.
We got a call. Which number, please? 537. 6 up number. 2680. And we can all see that is correct. Just want to verify that's fair. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations to all our winners for the first half. Moving on to our jackpot for this evening. On our loose screen sheets. We are playing on our loose screen sheets, please, everybody. On our first jackpot or our flyers down Melbourne. We're playing on our green one. Oh, when? Singer, are you there? Calling out to Singer. Singer, you need to unmute.
While we're waiting for Singer, our checkbook tonight is one line, $200. Two line, 300 and 500 full house. So 200, 300, and 500. They'll make $1,000. Okay.
Green flyer from Melbourne.
Yeah, hang on. Hang on, let me check.
Okay.
Excuse me, two line in one block?
Hello. The,
Yeah, two lines
the
in
paper we're playing is color green. The matcha
green.
bubble. Singer, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Oh, yes, Seleni. Kalofai.
Oh, now you can hear me.
Wow, well, good number.
Yeah, thank you.
Oi, Kalofai. Yeah, sorry. Say, we pull out the pinko lang pinko ay. Yeah, we can do something. Yeah, lang ilo long.
It's okay.
Yeah. Alofatu ole la nume matcha, green, and your first number. We are looking for any line for $200. $200. Say, fangi singi shaku musingi line.
I think Singer was trying to bring us through. Singer, are you there? We already. Okay, moving on. Our jackpot for this evening. Looking for any line. Yeah.
Your first number for any line.
7070. 7 and 1, 71.
Is that too fast?
It's all right. Oh, good.
Thank you.
4040. 3030. 2020. 5 and 2, 52. 3 and 7, 37. 'All the sixes, 66. 6 and 9, 69. 4 and 9, 49. On a turn, number 1. 5 and 3, 53. 'All the threes, 33. 5 and 4, 54. 'All the fives, 55. 4 and 1, 41. 3 and 4, 34. 8 and 5, 85. 5 and 6, 56. 6 and 5, 65.
Bingo.
We got a call.
Bingo.
Your 6-up number, please.
07953.
7923.
7913.
And we can all see that is correct. Just verifying, is that you, Kathy?
No, it's Maria.
Maria. Is that Maria Maoli?
Maria Tsui. From Melbourne.
Maria down Melbourne. 7913.
Yep.
Can I have your book number?
Number 1.
Book number 1. Is there anybody else?
Yes.
And your 6-up number, please.
07913.
7913. And can you verify your book number? Where are you from? 7913.
621.
Street.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 2 places. Moving on, looking for your 2 lines. And your next number is?
8 and 6, 86. 7 and 6, 76. 6 and 1, 61. 1 and 3, 13. 8 and 7, 87. 4 and 6, 46. 1, 0, 10. 1 and 5, 15. 4 and 2, 42. 2 and 9, 29.
Can I ask you to mute, please? Keep the noise
2
down.
and 8, 28. 1 and 9, 19. 7 and 4, 74. and 5, 25. 8 and 2, 82. 3 and 6, 36. 7 and 3, 73. 3 and 2, 32. 2 and 7, 27.
'Is that a bingo? Still looking for 2 lines? And your next number is?
1 and 2, 12.
And we got a call. And your 6-up number, please. 7157. And we can all see that is correct for your 2 lines. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Verify that it's title. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
8 and 9, 89. 6 and 3, 63. 4s, 44. 7 and 8, 78. 7 and 5, 75. 8 and 4, 84. 8 and 3, 83. 3 and 8, 38. 1 and 7, 17. 6 and 7, 67. 6 and 2, 62. 5 and 7, 57. 1 and 8, 18. 4 and 5, 45. 5 and 9, 59. 2 and 1, 21. 'All the 2s, 22.
And we got a call.
Thank you.
Your 6-up number, please.
667.
Can you say that again, please?
667.
6427?
6667.
66. And we can all see that is correct. Is this Brisbane, Maria?
Yes.
Congratulations. Is anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations to all our winners this evening. Please remember to take a photo of your winning ticket to verify your prize. We're going on a quick break. We're going to ice down at 10 to 8. Was that 10? Confirming what time? Five minutes to 8. Eyes back down.
Malo ta'alo nei tu la fiafi. Ele ta'alo le it's malo faftai. It is really important. Esilita wall in numerale fa mole Jasmine Sarah. If you could forward us all these numbers. Peya le mix up lua book numbers. Ole tato first price lina ya Maria le book 1 and 61. It is really important for Maria Tui. It's not your fault, but a loa kuslangle kusata to 6 up number. I hope you guys using the book that we sent from Brisbane, the called checkboard. For Molly, this wasn't meant to be 2 numbers in 1 book. Molly. Lisi tu lang fo lele we need those numbers lang the machine e saulo machine ele kalia mai elo pinko so o nga fo eu so elo masonsalo para afa pea e pinko mer machine e pinko mai fo tangata so lo we go let's move falta tu talonga to lower foot fa fong angal ta tu. I am sitting with the machine here and looking at the machine ba nai al ta talonga ai pinko mai lo le lo fa tu lo tala ya pu e mai tatu pu e mai tatu ata famole ya uma tatu talonga li tu la fiafti li to 5 minute a mata tatu talonga to fa Talofa tu il pa ima malo li tatu tunu li tina ya fala yo la pu e piniu tena di fo i
Talofa.
ya fa Talofa
Te fambro mole pole
Ya,
a
so no-
ngumela senda kwele ngumela lengalaki. Ole
Ya,
pepa
o-
fambro mole lava.
o fa tolutasi 5 tolu 5 valu lua valu lesi la me maga ya
Sen maya.
sen mai loa lau pepanga ko sen mai malau ke namba la kusa ole le porngi a wuti to fate tali mo bole to fate tele sunga ya pira Josefa male ainga fate tele lava ya fate tele lava pira Josefa male ainga ali ilinga tanda Eleanor Monica male ainga ali fate tele lava tele to pepa fa penat fa tawina longo nei foi nei foi to finga ele tana ya mole tu fa tele ya taunese limba ya o tula toa yo ne kalesia fa te foi ya Maria Tui ya mese la to yo lo fa pendana longo ina tatu talonga
Nunga.
ia Fesita to malolonga fa bole ya tala ita to fa bole lava Fesita to malolonga talosia o atu mo se tatu wafetala ni la fiafi remember the more players yeah ole le foi
Dei
na
ke
foi
tawa
loga
avele ile merchant sa nela in sira kaone se ole ka se nai.
sili ai awa masina a mai sa olunga la kitfungi o fa to tasi 5 tolu 5
Oye vai
valu lua
ngumela
valu
ka o ke itamale oi lo 5.2.
yeah
Na ngwa nga ya sira.
o ya nga ya fa ko foi fa ko foi o kilo ka mi sanga yo ke la lu ku fui opa ka sa le ia mo mo me kwa mo
Ole make friend manga yuso ye lenga bakole machine.
o ia nga ia yo pe abi foi dai sa fa na una ia wa fa ko langa finga bunga o ko fe bunga po
Yeah, o.
eu sa wele tu sai le tu sengu mela vagi ai wole lei se o alu ye ko ka penga ba sisi ka ko balu vaf alo te alu
Ini usila awasili mana iyo ainga rangalene fama ileanga uawai masale mafutanga atanu se aso toi pesanga iyo tamata Miss my darling, I love you. Honestly, I do. Uche inoe, ilo uchoe. Anichele, I wanna Ewina shele, fa'au sosoga. Ina iale pechi ale alofa. Aole wamoni. Etuma wilecha uchinonga Aole wamoni Etuma wilecha uchinonga Pipiitia mama oala unaileta wa mafutama le telefoni ya sota itasi lo ufiava aya oehani o folinga etu maipea iyo uma iso semea Uana osekisi fa'alele amai ilea Aiwi ilea chano fo chachalu Ilea chua ya yose aso Fa'chaunu inau chamo omoonga Fusi fusi aina ye alofa Momoli atu alofa Mo ole kelele pulurana Feilo ai chalo sanga Yes, my darling, I love you Honestly, I do Uche inoe, ilo uchoe Anichele, I wanna Ewina shele, fa'au sosoga Ina iale pechi ale alofa Aole wamoni Etuma wilecha uchinonga Yes, my darling, I love you Honestly, I do Uche inoe, ilo uchoe Anichele, I wanna Ewina shele, fa'au sosoga Ina iale pechi ale alofa Aole wamoni Etuma wilecha uchinonga Aole wamoni Etuma wilecha uchinonga
Oh no, it's not raining.
The world seems to be sliding from one deep crisis into the next. COVID-19, racism, climate change, poverty, and war. The media and our gut feeling suggest that the world seems to be spiraling out of control. But once we step back, we can see a tremendous number of positive developments and changes.
We're learning to look beyond the larger social narrative and get the real picture, to see past the news cycles and really look at the facts and use this understanding to create change.
If we look at the evidence, we can see that more and more people get lifted out of poverty, that we are caring for refugees in a much better way, and that we've gotten much better at resolving wars and violent conflict.
And this change isn't happening by chance. It's brought about by people who are studying my degree. They are the peacekeepers, the mediators, the humanitarian aid workers, the people in foreign ministries and in government.
And that's the point. If you're concerned with the state of our world today, we equip you with the skills to make sense of the turmoil.
It's what we prepare for, a world of unknowns that link conflict, climate change, and crisis. And I have the potential to make an impact.
More than a degree, it's a platform to launch the change you seek.
The most employable graduates in the state started exploring the unknown at the University of Queensland. Make UQ your first preference.
Na upo na ofaya
Leo tu 5 minute ya matatato. Watau tali tu la vagu amatoloa fa umole ya la ya tu telefona.
Is everyone back yet?
Yep.
1 more minute.
Malo mane tele yele. Pesele no tu lava ya tu itina ya mafa ya lawa amata la wos. Ya mulia tolo fa ngaile. Tu fa ya almotu sugul. Filamu ya almotu. Mane yele. Ol pesale mafamba matalo ya sola. Yo.
Asawa. Asawa. Ela coisa mga kumay may ngalwa ay
Iya, fatatia ya popo mafala awale la pesele tata pe alkiliba. Fatalo fatu moti malauso ya aflalo malolo sai madela matatato. Ya amata no se kafia falongo wako se kafia falongo leo.
Kafia tiko.
Ya, mafua susta badere nofu. Bana foi il tinale e balton yo li talo foi ni matua malolava malol fa malos. Fatalo fatu faltua o ifia savea malol se fumuia talo fai sala fai a bese ful faltua savea lo fa pedana ma futamai ya molia tolo fanga mo il tina yo aya wa no lo wal so oi Coast ya tafial watua ya yo amata toa ia tolo midun tamata fa mole ya tapene fu tatou o le tatou ma le ia fu pe le ai le ko tolo minuti esta ma le ia fu ono le nofo mai o le o tuna mafata ma le ia le sauni mai Emily ave me sisi lima sutala one line yo two line lisi ye ono le ma nei ole sa fa mi tuna mafata o le swafu ina yo ya fatalo fatu le vitu la vesi ya ready lo tatou ya
e ka fa e pe paua
Talofa.
ya sleepy o tatou le montanei sleepy
Ya, whakairava ro ke a mea uma.
ya molia tolo fanga e tolo fatua e uia na e yo na manatu e no foi nei prispina lo tino na yo o lo tino nei alo fatua to nei la pisinisi ya malo
Ia
lo
sasa
fatu
noanga. Ia whakalava.
ya tu foi tina ya sleepy se tasile o tina lo fa pena no la tupulele o le ora ta foi ya sleepy
O eki cry.
ya tatu faten maloni na
Whakairava i lau sunga.
lo fa pena nei vai tele E lo te mau te tala fo no.
Kulian Singer, can I just check your mic, please?
E se tasi o tina ma
Yeah, I'm
to
here.
ya to le fia o
Thank
lo
you.
wa to ailana.
Hello.
Ya ya Talofa senga.
Talofa.
Fatalo fo ia fa mu pama. Ya kisi la fo ni o matu o lo la fo ni au nanga. Ya watawo tatou tasilimido tele valu o le tatou talonga wa mata. We are looking for any line for $50.
Moving back on your book of 20. Looking for your any line. And your first number is
4 and 8, 48. 3 and 9, 39. 6 and 1, 61. 6 and 8, 68. 5 and 3, 53. 1 and 2, 12. 2 and 7, 27. 5 and 4, 54. 7 and 2, 72. 5 and 9, 59. On its own, number 4. 8 and 5, 85. 3 and 6, 36. 4 and 5, 45. 5 and 8, 58. On its own, number 6. On its own, number 3. 7 and 1, 71. All the sixes, 66.
Did you say Sandra? Can you mute, please?
5 and 7, 57. 2 and 3, 23.
Bingo.
2 and 4, 24.
And we got a call. Your book number, please. Book number?
84.
And your 6-up number, please, Melbourne.
4962.
And we can all see that is correct for your any line.
Just a clarification of the last number was 24. Before that was 23. So great bingo.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
2 and 6, 26. 6, 0, 60. 9, 0, 90. 2, 0, 20. All the 2s, 22. 4 and 9, 49. 6 and 4, 64. 8 and 9, 89. 6 and 5, 65. 1 and 7, 17. 4, 0, 40. All the 1s, 11. 5 and 2, 52. 2 and 8, 28. 1, 0, 10. 1 and 4, 14. On its own, number 9. 3 and 8, 38. 1 and 9, 19. 4 and 1, 41. 7 and 6, 76. 7 and 5, 75. 3 and 2, 32. 7 and 8, 78. 3 and 1, 31. 8 and 7, 87. 5 and 1, 51. 8 and 6, 86. 8 and 1, 81. All the 7, 77. 6 and 9, 69. 2 and 1, 21. On a turn, number 1. 5, 0, 50. All the 4s, 44.
Can we mute, please?
Please.
Famole, can we keep the noise down? Thank you.
All the 3s, 33. 3 and 7, 37. 8 and 2, 82. 7 and 9, 79. 5 and 6, 56. 4 and 6, 46.
Bingo.
And we got a call. Your book number, please.
542.
542. And your 6-up number, please.
2717.
2717. Can you verify yourself, please? Can you verify yourself?
Yes, Jennifer.
Oh, thanks, Jennifer.
Thank you.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on to your next game. On your blue. Sorry, who's that?
Slow down, please.
Yeah, your book number? Sorry, game closed. We're moving on to our next game. On your blue sheet, looking for any line. And your first number is?
40, 40. 5 and 8, 58. 1 and 2, 12. 9, 0, 90. 1 and 9, 19. 3 and 7, 37. On a turn, number 5. 6 and 7, 67. 4 and 2, 42. On a turn, number 3. On a turn, number 7. 5 and 6, 56. 7 and 2, 72. 6 and 2, 62. 2 and 8, 28.
Bingo.
And your book number, please.
622.
And your 6-up number?
6199.
622. Can you verify yourself, please?
Bernadette.
Bernadette. And is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closing 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
6 and 4, 64. 8 and 6, 86. 6 and 1, 61. 2 and 5, 25. All the 7, 77. 2 and 3, 23. 8 and 1, 81. 1 and 6, 16. 5 and 3, 53. 7 and 4, 74. On its own, number 1. 2 and 7, 27. 4 and 1, 41. 3, 0, 30. 3 and 4, 34. 1, 0, 10. 7 and 8, 78. 5 and 7, 57. 3 and 8, 38. All the 1s, 11. 4 and 9, 49. On its own, number 9. All the 5s, 55. 1 and 4, 14. 3 and 9, 39. 1 and 5, 15. 2 and 9, 29. 7 and 5, 75. 7 and 3, 73. 6 and 9, 69. 8 and 4, 84. 7 and 9, 79. 5 and 1, 51. 2 and 6, 26. 2, 0, 20. 7, 0, 70. 5, 0, 50. 6 and 5, 65. 5 and 9, 59. 5 and 2, 52. 4 and 7, 47. 8 and 9, 89. 1 and 7, 17. 8 and 5, 85. 4 and 5, 45. 4 and 3, 43. 1 and 8, 18. All the 3s, 33. 6 and 3, 63.
Bingo. Call. Your book number, please.
541.
541.
Yep.
And your 6-up number, please.
2715.
2715.
Yep.
And can you verify yourself, please?
Jennifer.
Thanks, Jennifer. Is there anybody else?
Yes.
And your book number, please?
56516.
516?
Yeah.
And your 6-up number, please?
2566.
2566.
2566. Yes.
Just verifying that Sia.
Yes, thank you.
2566.
There was
That one.
the last one was 63, and before that was 33. Oh yeah, correct. Bingo.
Yep.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 2 places. Congratulations. Moving on to our next game. On your orange sheet, please remember to take a photo of your winning ticket. On your orange sheet, looking for any line, and your first number is
3 and 7, 37. On its own, number 7. 2 and 7, 27. 4 and 7, 47. 2, 0, 20. On its own, number 5. 7 and 6, 76. 6 and 3, 63. On its own, number 9. 5 and 7, 57. 7 and 4, 74. 8 and 9, 89. 4 and 2, 42. 2 and 8, 28. 7, 0, 70. All the 7, 77.
and your book number, please. 529. 6-up number 2665. 2652. And we can all see that is correct for your one line. Confirming that's Aaliyah. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closing 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
8 and 3, 83. 6 and 7, 67. 6 and 4, 64. 7 and 3, 73. 8 and 7, 87. 3 and 2, 32. All the ones, 11. 4 and 1, 41. All the sixes, 66. 1 and 2, 12. 8 and 1, 81. On its own, number 8. 7 and 8, 78. 5 and 1, 51. All the 8s, 88. 7 and 5, 75. 3, 0, 30. 1 and 9, 19. 6 and 2, 62. 3 and 9, 39. 2 and 6, 26. On its own, number 1. 6 and 5, 65. 1 and 3, 13.
Can you please mute?
86, 86. 5 and 8, 58. 3 and 8, 38. 4 and 6, 46. 6 and 1, 61. 6 and 9, 69. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 5 and 4, 54.
Go.
We got a call?
Yep.
Yeah, your book number, looking for your full house.
34.
Book number 34, which is Maria Crichton.
Yep.
And your 6-up number, please, Maria.
4568.
568. And we can all see that is correct. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on to our next game. On your grey sheet, looking for any line. And your next number is?
6 and 2, 62. 2 and 1, 21. 7 and 3, 73. On its own, number 9. 2 and 3, 23. 8 and 1, 81. 2 and 4, 24. 6 and 8, 68. 5 and 1, 51. 1 and 7, 17. 8 and 9, 89. 1 and 9, 19. 4 and 9, 49. All the 2s, 22. 2, 0, 20. 6 and 9, 69.
Bingo.
Have we got a call? Your book number, please.
606.
And your 6-up number, please. 606.
06119.
6119. Just confirming that's Rochelle.
Yes, please.
Thank you. And is anybody else calling? 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
7070. 5 and 8, 58. 3 and 6, 36. 1 and 4, 14. 2 and 7, 27. All the 6s, 66. 5 and 9, 59. 1 and 3, 13. All the 4s, 44. 4 and 2, 42. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 6, 26. On its own, number 3. 8 and 2, 82. 4 and 5, 45. On its own, number 2. 8 and 6, 86. 5 and 4, 54. 1, 0, 10. 8 and 5, 85. 7 and 2, 72. 3 and 2, 32. 7 and 6, 76. 8 and 7, 87. 1 and 5, 15. 6, 0, 60. 7 and 8, 78. 1 and 8, 18. 4 and 6, 46. On its own, number 4. 4 and 1, 41. All the ones, 11. 3 and 9, 39. 9, 0, 90. 5 and 3, 53. On its own, number 6. 6 and 3, 63. 3 and 5, 35. 5 and 2, 52. 4, 0, 40.
Bingo.
Have we got to call your book number, please?
Book number 5.
Book number 5. And your 6-up number?
4589.
We can all see that is correct. Is anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on to our next game. On your phone ticket, looking for any line. And your first number is?
5 and 4, 54. 2 and 4, 24. 4 and 5, 45. On its own, number 5. 7 and 8, 78. 1 and 9, 19. All the 2s, 22. 3 and 9, 39. 7 and 9, 79. 4 and 1, 41. 8 and 2, 82. 3 and 7, 37. 4 and 3, 43. 8 and 4, 84. 8 and 9, 89.
Got a call?
Yeah.
And your book number?
0488.
Your book number?
Book number 69.
Yeah, and your 6-up number, please, Melvin?
04888.
That's Rose.
Yeah.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house, and your next number is?
3 and 4, 34. 8 and 1, 81. All the threes, 33. On its own, number 1. 6 and 5, 65. 20, 20. 5 and 6, 56. 7 and 2, 72. 1 and 3, 13. 6 and 9, 69. On its own, number 3. 5 and 1, 51. All the sixes, 66. 5 and 9, 59. All the ones, 11. 4 and 2, 42. 2 and 5, 25. 8, 0, 80. On its own, number 4. 3 and 5, 35. 3 and 6, 36. 2 and 1, 21. 6 and 7, 67. 9, 0, 90. 1, 0, 10. 7 and 4, 74. 7, 0, 70. On its own, number 2. 6 and 3, 63. 3 and 2, 32. On its own, number 7. 2 and 6, 26. 5, 0, 50. 8 and 6, 86. 1 and 2, 12. 3 and 1, 31. 6, 0, 60. All the 7, 77. 8 and 3, 83. 1 and 6, 16.
And your book number, please.
70.
Book number 70.
Yeah.
Yes, Melbourne. That's Veronica.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
6-up number, please.
04909 2908. No, it's
We can all see that is correct. Is there anybody else?
Yes, please.
And your book number?
503.
503.
Yeah.
And your 6-up number?
2504.
2504. And that is Maria.
Yes.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 2 places. Congratulations. Moving on to your next game on your lilac ticket. Looking for any line. And your first number is?
2 and 3, 23. 3, 0, 30. 4 and 8, 48. 8 and 1, 81. All the threes, 33. 2 and 8, 28. 7 and 9, 79. 3 and 5, 35. All the 7, 77. 1 and 4, 14. On its own, number 6. 8 and 3, 83. 4 and 1, 41. 8, 0, 80. 6 and 4, 64. 6 and 9, 69. 4 and 9, 49. 1 and 6, 16. 1, 0, 10. 3 and 8, 38. 8 and 2, 82. 6 and 1, 61. 7 and 6, 76.
Bingo.
And your book number?
As well.
Book number, please.
77.
77.
Yeah.
Just verifying that's Ulufale.
Yeah.
And your 6-up number, please.
04946.
04
946.
946.
Yeah.
049
04946. Yeah.
There was a 76, 61. Yeah, correct me.
Is anybody else calling one?
I'll go bingo 76.
Go ahead.
2.
Book number.
613.
Book number 613. And your 6-up number, please.
06172.
6172. Just verifying that's Asiata.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Is there anybody else?
Yeah, one more.
Pamolmola le pinko mo muanga nga leo yesu fikuo mo le pepa mo muanga na umai fambo.
Ole pinko ole na matu ole ole 77 04946 ole numela muli ole fitu ono.
Did you want to bring it back up?
Yeah, matu foi la ole. Yeah, okay. I'll go back. Felici numela
494. Oh. Can I have the other book number?
Book number 1.
Book number 1. And your 6-up number, please, Melvin.
04269.
269. And we can all see that is correct. Book number 1 is Mariah.
Yep. Oh, Maria? Yeah.
Maria, we're just going to verify that first one. Book number 77, 4946.
4926. Yeah, that's the number. The last number was 76. Mantua Fulata Joe, one number past Pinko.
Hello?
Yeah.
Pamon mo lang adenga why de na go kami o lang may sasyo ko ba.
Found Molly Lava, Litinale, Ulfali Fatasi Famal Bamat. Mantua Tattoo, Tassili Numera Pas Pinko. o tō wawa me lisi tatu kemal ia lisi tatu kemal na vai whamalmole. O le numera le na umatua nei o le fituono. But before 76 was 61.
Yeah.
Lala wa man maloi. Anga whaapela e misi le 61. Ai alu le 82. Ia wa leisi kako? Alai one number whamalmole. Ia, e nganga mal whalalo.
Thank you.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 3 places. Congratulations. Moving on. Looking for your full house. And your next number is?
5 and 9, 59. 5 and 3, 53. 8 and 9, 89. On its own, number 7. 2 and 5, 25. 8 and 4, 84. On its own, number 9. 2 and 9, 29. 7 and 1, 71. 4 and 3, 43. All the sixes, 66. On its own, number 2. 5 and 2, 52. On its own, number 3. 1 and 7, 17. 7, 0, 70. 7 and 4, 74. 7 and 5, 75. 6 and 2, 62. 1 and 3, 13. 3 and 9, 39. 3 and 1, 31. 6 and 8, 68. All the 8s, 88. 5 and 6, 56. 5, 0, 50. 2 and 6, 26. All the 4s, 44. 3 and 7, 37. 4 and 6, 46. 6 and 7, 67. All the 2s, 22. 6 and 3, 63. On its own, number 5. 2 and 7, 27. 6, 0, 60. 8 and 7, 87. 4, 0, 40. On its own, number 8.
Bingo!
And we got a call. Your book number, please.
61.
Book number 61. Yes, Melbourne, and your 6 up number.
Falima o Vico.
Four, 5. Book number 61, which is Eleanor.
Thank you.
4507. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Moving on to our yellow game. Looking for any line. And your first number is?
2020. On its own, number 7. 8 and 4, 84. 3 and 1, 31. 2 and 4, 24. 1 and 6, 16. 6 and 3, 63. 4 and 9, 49. 1 and 5, 15. 3 and 4, 34. 2 and 3, 23. 3 and 8, 38. On its own, number 6. 3 and 7, 37. 4 and 7, 47.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Got a call? Book number, please.
64.
And your 6-up number, please. 64.
4535.
Is anybody else?
Yep, 33.
Yes. And your 6-up number, please.
4773.
4773. We can all see that is correct. And that's Sivanila.
Yep, thank you.
And book number 64, just verifying that was Chaka.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Is anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 2. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is
4 and 1, 41. 2 and 9, 29. 9, 0, 90. 3 and 5, 35. 5 and 9, 59. 4 and 3, 43. 1 and 2, 12. 7 and 1, 71. 8 and 3, 83. 3, 0, 30. 3 and 2, 32. On its own, number 1. 6 and 4, 64. 2 and 8, 28. 1 and 3, 13. 2 and 5, 25. 5 and 2, 52. On its own, number 9. 7 and 8, 78. 6 and 8, 68. 7 and 2, 72. 6 and 7, 67. 1 and 4, 14. 8 and 6, 86. All the 3s, 33. 8 and 5, 85. 3 and 6, 36. All the 5s, 55. 8 and 9, 89. On its own, number 2. 6 and 9, 69. All the sixes, 66. 8 and 1, 81. 6 zeros, 60. 8 and 7, 87. 7 and 3, 73. 7 and 4, 74. 5, 0, 50. 7 and 9, 79. 2 and 1, 21. All the twos, 22. 7, 0, 70.
Bingo.
And your book number, please.
518.
518. Your six-up number.
2607.
So you singer?
Yes. Thank you.
Congratulations. Is anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations. Moving on to your next game. Your green sheet, looking for any line. And your first number is?
On its own, number 8. 2 and 1, 21. 5 and 4, 54. 7 and 4, 74. All the twos, 22. All the fours, 44. 3 and 8, 38. 6 zeros, 60. 4 and 6, 46. 8 and 3, 83. 8 and 5, 85. 3 and 4, 34. 4 and 3, 43. 1 and 2, 12. All the threes, 33. 4 and 9, 49. 7 and 2, 72. All the sixes, 66. 4 and 8, 48. 4 and 1, 41. 4 and 7, 47. All the fives, 55.
We got a
Bingo.
call?
Yeah.
Book number, please. Your book number?
568.
Is that 568?
Yep.
And your six-up number?
02913.
Is that you, Muffa?
Yep.
Congratulations. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closing 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
4 and 5, 45. 7 0, 70. 1 and 9, 19. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 4, 14. 7 and 3, 73. 8 and 9, 89. 1 and 6, 16. On its own, number 1. On its own, number 4. 6 and 3, 63. On its own, number 6. 6 and 7, 67. 3, 0, 30. 7 and 8, 78. 7 and 6, 76. 2, 0, 20. 7 and 9, 79. 2 and 9, 29. 7 and 5, 75. 5 and 2, 52. 8 and 1, 81. 8 and 2, 82. All the 8s, 88. 1, 0, 10. On its own, number 2. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 8, 28. 8, 0, 80. 6 and 5, 65. 4, 0, 40. 6 and 4, 64. 5 and 7, 57.
Bingo.
And we got a call. Your book number, please.
38.
Book number 38 down Melbourne is Maria.
Yep.
Your 6-up number, please.
4382.
4382. Book 38. We can all see that is correct. Is there anybody else?
Yes.
Yes,
Your
please.
book number, please.
43.
Book number 43. Yes, Peter?
Yep.
6-up number?
4415.
4415. We can see that's correct. And next one, please.
629.
629.
Yep.
And your 6-up number?
06280.
Just verifying that is 629. Fitutasi?
Thanks.
Oh, just confirming that's Fitutasi?
Yeah, that's me. Thanks.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 3 places. Congratulations. Moving on to our next game. Looking for your full house? Oh, sorry. Moving on to your apricot ticket. Looking for your any line.
2 and 3, 23. 9, 0, 90. 3 and 7, 37. 5 and 6, 56. 7 and 9, 79. 3 and 4, 34. 1 and 7, 17. 6 and 8, 68. On its own, number 5. 2 and 9, 29. 4 and 5, 45. 3 and 6, 36. 8 and 6, 86. 5 and 4, 54. All the twos, 22.
Check on me, please.
And your book number, please.
579.
579. And your 6-up number?
02986.
Just confirming that's Sarai.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
1 and 3, 13. 6 and 1, 61. 7 and 6, 76. 4 and 9, 49. All the 8s, 88. 4 and 3, 43. 4 and 2, 42. All the 1s, 11. 8 and 5, 85. 8 and 3, 83. On its own, number 1. All the 7s, 77. On its own, number 7. 8 and 2, 82. 7 and 3, 73. 1 and 6, 16. 5 and 3, 53. 8 and 9, 89. 3 and 9, 39. 4 and 8, 48. 3 and 2, 32. 7 and 2, 72. 8 and 1, 81. 1, 0, 10. 2, 0, 20. 5, 0, 50. 6 and 3, 63. 8 and 4, 84. 2 and 8, 28. On its own, number 8. 5 and 1, 51. 3 and 5, 35. 1 and 4, 14. 5 and 9, 59. 6, 0, 60. 4 and 1, 41. 7 and 1, 71. 1 and 9, 19. 6 and 7, 67.
Bingo.
Your book number, please.
13.
Your book number?
13.
13. And your 6-up number, please, Melbourne?
46667.
Just confirming that's Marie.
Yes.
Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Moving on to our last game of our booklet. I'm going to hand it over to you, Moy.
Good one. Yeah, tatu talong le fe fimbole tu le fa tele. Especially to Peter, Josefa, we donated instant pinko for you guys. Sei fa ila uloi for kako instant pinko. Yeah. Fa ila for lungal kako kemba fa mole. There's 100 instant pinko for you. We're gonna post it down as soon as we can. Yeah.
Show it to the camera.
Instant pinko na fa mole. Can you see that? Yeah. 100. There is about $1,000 worth of price. Let's allow tickets na mole to Peter Josefa. Yeah, I'm a for agent Tono Multoni. Okay, move along. Game 20, $50 one line, $50 two line. Yeah, walava Marcelo Kala. Walava nga. Famoli. Good luck.
Looking for any line? And your first number is
3 and 7, 37. On its own, number 6. 3 and 5, 35. 3 and 6, 36. 5 and 7, 57. 5 and 8, 58. 7 and 3, 73. 4 and 2, 42. 3, 0, 30. 8 and 2, 82. 5, 0, 50. 6 and 9, 69. 7 and 9, 79. 4 and 1, 41. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 3, 13.
got a call?
Yes.
And your book number, please. Book number?
Hold on.
Six 1 9.
And your 6-up number, please.
06233.
6233. Verifying. That is correct, Lynette. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Moving on, looking for 2 lines for $50. And your next number is
8 and 7, 87. 1 and 6, 16. 8, 0, 80. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 5, 25. 4, 0, 40. 7 and 8, 78. On its own, number 5. 4 and 7, 47. 9, 0, 90. 5 and 3, 53. 3 and 2, 32. 1, 0, 10. 7 and 1, 71. 2 and 7, 27. All the 6s, 66. 8 and 9, 89. 3 and 8, 38. 4 and 6, 46. 2 and 8, 28. 6 and 1, 61. 6 0, 60. 8 and 4, 84. 1 and 7, 17.
We're looking for 2 lines.
6 and 8, 68. 8 and 6, 86. 5 and 9, 59. All the ones, 11. 7 and 2, 72.
Inco.
Is that a call?
Yeah.
Book number, please.
30.
Book number 30 and your 6-up number.
4781.
4781.
Yep.
Just verifying that is
I
a booker.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your full house. Beg your pardon? We're looking for your full house. And your next number is?
7 and 5, 75. 6 and 4, 64. 8 and 5, 85. 2 0, 20. 6 and 3, 63.
Can you please mute?
Yeah, Lela mute. We have to be excited, eh? Asinga aka foi whakarikari ka koma. Yeah. And your next ma is coming.
All the 4s, 44.
Order 8.
4 and 9, 49. 3 and 4, 34. 7 0, 70. 2 and 4, 24. All the 8s, 88.
Hey.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Manave tonu.
Yeah, book number 30.
And your book number, please.
30.
And your 6-down number.
4781.
Thank you, April.
Thank you.
Is there anybody else? Anybody else? Calling 1?
Yes.
Yes?
38.
Book number 88?
38.
38. And your 6-up number, please.
4396.
4396. 4396. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Just confirming that's Maria Crichton.
Yes, thank you.
Game closed in 2. Well done.
Thank you.
Before we move on to our last jackpot of the evening, just like to remember, if you've got a winning ticket, take a photo and send it through. What's happening next week? Are we playing again or?
Yeah, elimele tupu fawal bole. Talo o no tua ai bingo Brisbane Australia e o New Zealand. O le ala te valval si ai fo'i pa imal malo taturu. If you want to play next week, please let your agent know ASAP, probably today, tomorrow, or Monday. From Moli. So we have to prepare. Melbourne Bingo will be back on next week. No bingo tomorrow. Jess, are you there for Moli? Yelna. Are you feeling well? Show of fine. I only told you that to bingo. Afa pe fia ta alo to continue to bingo. Langa leo to ya el bingo. Please let us know earlier. For Moli, don't fight long. Have my ya on the tap in penailo tatu talonga. O lela tatu wanga ya tu lisi tatu full house. Esther, what color?
Our blue sheets.
Yeah,
Flyers, blue one.
One line 200 and two line 300. 500. It's in the place right now for full house. Alilia auto. Yeah, la si ilungal 600. Okay. Good luck. Yeah, all the tattoo books of 20. The whole lot. We spent 3,100. All tattoo first special was 1,000, and the last one probably 1,100. Yeah, let's see.
So we're looking for our any one line. Jess, are you there? Calling Jess 1.
No, I am though.
Oh, hi, Sella.
Hello. Hi. Did you just want anything?
Sella, just confirming there's no game tomorrow, but next week?
Yes, no game tomorrow. But next week, yep, same old.
Okay.
All right. 200 for one line.
While he's setting up our last jackpot for this evening, I'd just like to thank everyone for joining our game every Friday night. It's all up to you guys if you want to respond on and let us know that you want to play next week.
I'm ready.
Okay.
But we are looking for one line for $200. And your first number is?
On a turn, number 1. Seven and 5, 75. 4 and 2, 42. 'On a turn, number 3. 4 and 3, 43. 1 and 6, 16. 2, 0, 20. 6 and 1, 61. 2 and 4, 24. 8 and 1, 81. 1 and 2, 12.
5.
6 and 3, 63. 2 and 5, 25. 1, 0, 10. All the fours, 44. 3 and 2, 32.
Please keep the noise down.
8, 0, 80.
And we got a call.
Yeah.
Your 6-up number, please.
7951.
Can you verify you're in Brisbane or Melbourne?
Brisbane.
Brisbane. And your book number? Tell me who this is. Bernadette.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Bernadette. Is there anybody else?
Yeah.
And your 6-up number, please.
07951.
And can you verify yourself, please?
Spencerina, Melbourne.
Did you say, can I have a book number?
2.
Number 2. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 2 places. Moving on, looking for your 2 lines. And your next number is?
7 and 8, 78. 3 and 9, 39. 2 and 3, 23. 5 and 3, 53. 2 and 8, 28. 'All the 6s, 66. 3 and 4, 34.
Mole a mute for a call where we are calling a
8 and 7, 87. 6 and 5, 65. 2 and 7, 27. 5 and 1, 51.
We got a call. And your 6-up number, please.
7958.
7958.
Yeah.
And can you verify yourself, please?
Bernadette.
Is there anybody else?
Yeah.
And your 6-up number, please?
07958.
And that's Spencerina?
Yeah.
Moving on, looking for your full house. And your next number is?
3 and 5, 35. 6 and 9, 69. 5 and 8, 58. 7 and 3, 73. 'All the ones, 11. 3 and 7, 37. 2 and 1, 21. 1 and 7, 17. 7 and 6, 76. 6 and 7, 67. 9, 0, 90. 5 and 2, 52. 4 and 1, 41. 6 and 4, 64. 7, 0, 70. 4 and 5, 45. 4 and 6, 46. 3, 0, 30. 'All the twos, 22. 4 and 9, 49. 'On its own, number 4. 6, 0, 60. 8 and 4, 84. 8 and 2, 82. 5 and 6, 56. 2 and 9, 29. 1 and 3, 13. 'All the threes, 33. 8 and 5, 85.
Was that a bingo? Still looking for your full house. Your next number.
1 and 8, 18. 3 and 6, 36. 3 and 1, 31.
Bingo.
And we got a call. Your 6-up number, please. Hold your tickets, everybody. We'll have our consolation prize.
07562.
7562. Can you verify yourself, please?
Val.
7562. We can all see that is correct. Is there anybody else? Calling 1, 2, 3. Game closed in 1. Moving on, looking for your another full house for $50. And your next number is?
On its own, number 9.
Bingo.
Ooh.
Congratulations. And your 6-up number, please?
9106.
91.
Yeah, 06.
9106.
Can we go again?
Hold your ticket. One more for $50. Oh, hang on. 9106. Can you verify yourself?
Emmy, thank you.
Who, sorry?
Emmy.
Emmy. Is that in
Melbourne.
Melbourne?
Yes, thanks.
Emmy,
Thank you.
masalah.
Yeah, Manolo.
One more for $50.
Emmy, la con el carajo.
Emmy, can I have your book number, please?
66.
56. Looking for another full house for $50. And your next number is?
2 and 6, 26.
Oh, bingo.
With our soulish.
Was that a call? No one? You're looking for a full house?
No bingo.
No bingo. Oh, no bingo.
Is that a bingo?
Yes.
Your 6-up number, please. 6-up number?
Going once.
Going once?
Going 2 times.
Okay, moving on. Still looking for our full house for $50. And your next number is?
3 and 8, 38. 6 and 8, 68. On its own, number 2. 1 and 5, 15.
Oh.
We got a call?
1 4.
Bingo.
Yep,
Yeah.
your 6-up number, please. 6-up number? Going once?
78.
78?
72.
Can you verify yourself, please?
Melania.
Are you in Melbourne or Brisbane?
Brisbane.
Brisbane. Can I have that number again?
7872.
Congratulations, you've won our last $50 of the night.
What was that? One more?
Malolay.
Please have one more.
Yeah, well, my eventual
$100? No donations?
No donation.
They were
More to my Brisbane,
Sponsor?
Can I have
Australia.
your book number?
For everyone in Brisbane, if you're not doing anything tomorrow, come down and pick up a free box. Aleisa for you. Aleisa, we're shopping good Nipo. You're welcome to have a donation, and you pick up a free food hamper in 174 Mortimer Road, Acacia Ridge. Longwina le Wesley Food Bank.
Free food, everyone.
Yeah, Moliatu lang ang fatitili lava. Pa iya muluto malu.
Wait, for the fair, yeah.
Manituata to Peppa. Popo. Manituata to Peppa le 0431 535 828. Yeah, Faman Moli.
Senta aku, puela le aka be senta aku.
Yang puer kamba yakang oli le malo ai yamal game ya mela yese I do fai
everyone.
ya no bole tula yo o
Isa ka hello number naman mo.
ya Sarah ya umana fa
Mo
moli
le aku puela
ya fa tai ya
Hello.
melo wata line ya fa moli
Ya, so far so far ang suka kaya ngayon na. Baba fole kalesia ya
Fatalima, Taya before. Boliatu lang ang fatitele. Popo.
Yeah. Lela.
Can you confirm who was the winner for second jackpot?
The second jackpot, yeah. Manmaloi or Jess Masera.
Hello?
Yeah, Saro Mai.
Ole alin, puela number kan boleh
O Fato Lutasi, Lima Tolu Lima, Valu Lua Valu. O Fato Lutasi, Lima Tolu Lima, Valu Lua Valu. Famal Mole Lava. Sarah.
I got bingo for the second jackpot, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, Brisbane. Brisbane, yeah.
What was your flyer number?
Huh? Well, 7951 Brisbane. Sarah and Jess, I think we cross with our books again. We sell 5 and 6.
The what?
We did 5 and 6 here in Brisbane.
Our flyers.
Flyers, yeah.
Yeah, the flyers. Like I said, like I do one whole set and just does the other whole set.
Okay, Maloa set.
Lava, Mulafiafi.
Yeah, Muliatu lang fatitele masina.
Mulafiafi.
Tailava li maftamai. Yeah, we at for the weekend.
And I for the sunga.
We at for ya fatitele lavali. Lang mai.
Thank you, Jason, Sarah.
Yoi.
Thank you. Have a good night. See you next week.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Tele lava, we at for ya. Mga tot. Jesma. Fatitele to Vaia si Pira Josefa. We're going to send that 100 tickets. Mola Tova Moli.
100 tickets.
Yeah, it's free tickets. Instant bingo. For the support, I can see here nearly close to $400. They playing every week.
500.
Sarah, Jess.
Peter.
About to film it allow 100 for both of you, or even though I supply the paper for use. Vakum male pandole mo olua.
Can you let me know who won the second jackpot, please?
It's me.
Oh yeah, what was your flyer number?
The second one is 7958.
Do you have the number at the back?
No. At the back here. No, that's good.
What was it? 7958.
7958.
7958. I just send it to me and I'll send it to them. Easier.
Okay, and the first one as well.
Yeah, the bingo to one, just send it to through my account, and then send it to Brisbane.
Yeah, I'm trying to work on it to send it through because
Was it Spencerina? Is this Spencerina?
no, it's Bernadette.
Bernadette. Oh, is this Brisbane?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, you go through them. That was the second jackpot, yeah?
Yeah, the second and the first.
Oh, the first one was 2 lions.
No, the first one was 1 line.
Oh, okay. Yep.
And then the second one was 2 lines.
Yep, just send your cards to Mo. Okay, have a good night, everyone.
Great, thank you.
Bye, Brisbane.
Bye.